From this video we shall learn how to construct the forward difference table and to find the value of n y for the given value of x. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Form the difference table for f of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square, where x is equal to minus 2 of 1 to 2. X is equal to minus 2 of 1 2. That means the value of x should start from minus 2 and it has to end at 2. In between, you need to increment the value of x by 1. That is, the starting value will be minus 2. Next value will be minus 2 plus 1. That means minus 1. The next value will be minus 1 plus 1, 0. Next value will be 0 plus 1, 1. Next value will be 1 plus 1, 2. Like that, you need to start with minus 2 and you have to go up to 2 by incrementing the value of x by 1. And they are also given, use the fact that the third order difference is constant and extend the table for x is equal to 3. That means you need to construct the table. Along with constructing the table, you have to consider the third order difference is constant, and using that one you have to extend the table to find the value of y when x is equal to 3. Solution: let y is equal to f of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square, and this we use for the purpose of calculating the value of y, which we will be writing in the difference table. Now we shall construct the forward difference table. The first one, values of x, the next values of y, first difference delta, second difference delta square, third difference delta cube, fourth difference delta to the power 4. The values of x they are given as x is equal to minus 2 of 1 2. That means the first value should be minus 2 and the last value should be 2, and each time it has to be incremented by 1. So therefore the first value minus 2, the next value minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, that you need to write by leaving one row gap in the values of x. It will be minus 1. In this way you need to write. The next minus 1 plus 1, 0, that one you need to write by leaving one line gap between the rows in the values of x column. The next 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. At this point you need to stop. Observe writing the values of x by leaving one line gap between each of the values of x, one row gap. The next values of y. So this we get by substituting the value of x in f of x equation. It is y is equal to f of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square. So f of x equation you can see in the middle, it is there in the bottom in this particular video. F of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square. So now f of minus 2 is equal to 3 within the bracket minus 2 cube minus within the bracket minus 2 square. So minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 8 into 3 is minus 24, minus 24, after that minus 2 square is 4, it is a plus 4, not minus 4, it is a plus 4. Minus into plus 4 will be minus 4. So minus 24 minus 4 is equal to minus 28. This one you can also write in the calculator. That means you can type in the calculator as 3 open the bracket minus the small minus sign which is present in the calculator, you need to use that one, After that 2, close the bracket and press the shift key. That there is an x to the power y. Press that one and write 3. After that minus. After that open the bracket, minus the small minus sign here. Before that it is a bigger one minus sign, whereas here it is a small minus sign. 2, close the bracket, square. So now this will give the value, and that value is minus 28. Then next, the value of y with respect to x is equal to minus 1 will be 3 into minus 1 to the power of 3 minus, within the bracket, minus 1 square. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus into plus 1 will be minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to minus 4. The next, similarly, we need to calculate the values of y for x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So, for x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 0. For x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 2. For x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 20. This we calculate by substituting those, that is the x value in f of x. These values we get when we substitute the value of x in f of x equation. The next, first difference, that one we get by minus 4 minus of minus 28. Minus 4 minus of minus 28. Minus of minus 28 will be plus 28. Minus 4 plus 28 will be plus 24. And observe where that value has been written. It should be written in between the values of x in the column of delta. Then next, in between the values of y in the delta column. Then next, delta value 0 minus of minus 4. Minus of minus 4 will be plus 4. 0 plus 4 will be plus 4. Right? So if you are not written any sign, that means it will be a plus, that is a positive. The next delta value 2 minus 0 is 2. And observe where the delta values have been written. It should be written in between the values of y, which we have considered for the purpose of calculating delta in the delta column. That is the first difference column. The next value of a delta 20 minus 2, 18. So this one you need to write in between the values of 20 and 2, in between the values of y in the row 20 and 2. In that one the middle row is there. In that one, in the next column, that is in the first difference column, delta, you need to write as 18. 20 minus 2, 18. The next, we need to calculate delta square. So delta square will be 4 minus 24. 4 minus 24 will be minus 20, and it should be written in between the values of delta row in the delta square column. Like this, 4 minus 24 will be equal to minus 20. The next, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. So this you need to write as minus 2 in between the rows of 2 and 4 in the column delta square. The next, 18 minus 2 will be 16, and this should be written in between the rows of 18 and 2 in the column delta square as 16. The next, delta cube, third difference, minus 2 minus of minus 20. Minus 2 minus of minus 20. So minus of minus 20 will be plus 20. Minus 2 plus 20 will be 18, and that should be written in between minus 2 and minus 20 row in delta cube column like this. The next, 16 minus of minus 2. minus of minus 2 will be plus 2, 16 plus 2 will be 18, and that should be written in delta cube column in between the rows of 16 and minus 2, like this. The next, delta to the power 4, 18 minus 18, 0, and that should be written in the delta to the power of 4 column in between the rows of delta cube column of 18 and 18 in this way. Now we have constructed the forward difference table, and they have given, after constructing the forward difference, you need to calculate the value of x is equal to 3 by extending the table and considering the third difference as constant. That means the delta cube has to be considered as a constant. Therefore, we can write in the delta cube column as 18 in this way. Next, you can observe we have got the first 18 in the delta cube column by taking minus 2 minus of minus 20, right? Whereas the second 18 in the delta cube column we have got 16 minus of minus 2. That means the difference of delta square value. Even we can see that 18 minus 2, that is the delta cube value, and minus 20, that is the delta square value, first one, 18 minus 20 will be how much? Minus 2. So that is the second value which is present in the delta square column. The next, similarly, delta cube value, second one, that is 18 minus delta square value second one, that is minus 2. 18 minus 2 will be 16. So similarly here delta cube third value is 18, whereas delta square third value is 16. So 18 plus 16 will be equal to 34. 16 plus 18 is equal to 34. Even you can see 34 minus 16 is equal to 18. The next, delta value, that also in the same way, 18 plus 34 is equal to 52, right? And observe where the values have been written and in which column we are writing. The next, 20 plus 52, so it will be 20 plus 52 will be 72, and this is the what? The value of y when x is equal to 3. That means we have extended the table and we have got the value of y when x is equal to 3. Therefore, we can write f of 3 is equal to 72. In this way, we need to construct the forward difference table, and we can extend the table to find the value of y with respect to the value of x which has been given in the question. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.